Well, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 English Language Objective Past Question 14 under Test of Orals, Section 1. Now the instruction is from the words lettered A to D, choose the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the letter or letters underlined. So the word given to us is destroy, and the underlined letters are O and Y. So option A is pour, B is boat, C poise, D idea. So first I will transcribe the word destroy so we can see the sound represented by the letters O and Y. So destroy is transcribed this way. Destroy. So you can see we have the OI sound here. So option A, which is pour, is transcribed this way, pronounced pour. Option B, boat, is transcribed this way, so boat. Option C, poise, is transcribed this way, poise. And option D, idea, is transcribed this way. Idea. So we said this sound is represented by OY, which is OI. So the sound is found in option C, poise. So we see it here. Therefore, the correct answer is C, poise. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.